Hi guys, so are you ready to draw with me today? So today I will be drawing a red bird, an easy one that you can draw in few minutes. So let's get started. I'm going to draw the head and a little bit of the body today, and I will finish it off in the upcoming videos. So let's get started. And if you're new to my channel and haven't been here already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and the bell icon to get a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And I can also draw anything that you like if you request something by commenting below, or you can also connect with me through other social media like my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. All that information is in the description box below for you. So then let's get started. So there you go. This is the final product so far, but I'm going to add more to this. And as you can see, it's not done yet. I will add more details to it as well as we go along. And I hope you like it. And if you do like it, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment for me. And stay tuned for the upcoming videos as well for the finishing of this drawing. And don't forget to check out these next videos as well. And don't forget to hit on my face logo to subscribe to my channel. I bring a video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And you can request anything for me to draw or to do by commenting below. And don't forget to let me know if you like this video and what you want to see next. And if you have any other requests as well. So then, hope you have a great day. I will see you next time. Bye.